Let's see how to make your Wix site support multiple languages. First is, you're going to search Multilingual in your dashboard. You can see many apps available. As you can see, there are many AIs to translate into different languages. But I'm just going to choose the Wix Multilingual since it's free. Now, click Add to Site, and then go to Editor. Since I can't go directly to Editor, let's just go to Setup and click the Edit button to go to our site. By the way, this is just a sample website, and now you can see that the app we got for the market is directly shown in this website. Just click Start Now, and then it's gonna ask you if English is your site's main language. So let's just go ahead and set this as the main language, and then search for flags. You can search different flags. Let's just go to the usual United States, and then we confirm the main language. Now we can add languages. Let's say we have customers that are Spanish, so we're gonna add Spanish there. And you can also choose flags and then make it visible. Let's add another one. Let's say German. Yes, Germany. Forgot. Click this. Yes, make it visible right away. Next is Chinese, China. And then, yes, make it visible. Now we have other languages. Now in this three dots, you can see delete, and then you can change flags. And also, you can hire a professional translator, and that's much better than these AI translators. Then, if we go to the site again, we'll see automatically the button of the translators. We see the languages here. We can change our layout. Menu type, since there are many languages, so I'll just have the drop down. Then you can show flags, choose flags, then size, and also display. I like my languages to be in full name, so I'm going to pick full name. And then there's alignment. I like it to be on the right side. And that's it. If you want to design your button, you can also do it. You can click Customize Design, and then here you'll get to edit personally your button for your language. Now, after that, you can now publish your site. But remember that this is just a free AI translator, so not all the time it's going to be translated. So with this website, I see that the language is not really working. But I have other websites that can show the languages are working. In this website, you can see that it's not all that's working, but some of them are working. That's fine. So I suggest you go for premium, or if you have a translator, you can hire them, because I think it's much better and it's more accurate than the free AI. And so that's how to make your Wix site support multiple languages. See you soon!